Hi everyone, this is my introduction for EDT 6045. My name is Hannah Pepper. I like to spend a lot of time at the beach. I'm very fortunate to live in Lewis, Delaware, so I'm not too far from the beach, and a lot of times my sister and I like to ride our bikes down there or go for runs and kind of end with that beautiful beach view. Some things that I love. I am extremely close with my family. Here's a picture of us, my mom and my dad and my sister. Um, we like to spend a lot of time outside and traveling. Another cool fact about my family is that we're all teachers. My mom has her own school that she started, Bethel Christian School, and I was one of the kids in her first class, which is fun. And she has preschool and kindergarten. My dad taught in the Cape Henlopen School District for 37 years. And when he retired, he started working with my mom at her school just to kind of keep him busy, but they love being together. My sister teaches at Milford Central Academy at the middle school, and she taught social studies but now teaches art, and she loves that switch. This is a picture of my dog Zeus. He is a miniature golden doodle and he is so much fun. He loves being outside and being on the beach and just having lots of space to run and play. My sister and I are really close. We grew up running together and playing field hockey. And we were pretty lucky to have my dad actually coached us and my mom helped out as well. So extremely, extremely close family. For my undergrad, I went to University of Delaware and studied elementary education and special education. I also ran track and played field hockey, and they're both at the D1 level, so that was extremely busy, but really fun and a great experience. Then I got hired in the Laurel School District in Delaware, and I taught second grade special ed for 2 years. Started taking classes at Wilmington University for a master's in teacher of reading. And then I got hired in the Cape Henlopen School District and work at Milton Elementary. During my time at Milton, I've taught first grade, second grade, and now I'm back in first grade. This will be finishing my third year at Milton. And during that time, I finished my master's in teacher of reading and started my second master's, which is this current one in technology. It's pretty exciting for our school because right now Milton is under construction, and they're taking our historic school and they're going to keep most of the historic portion and then add on mostly on the back. So that should be finished in one more school year, but with everything going on, hopefully they stay on track or if they can. I've had online experience with Wilmington University in the past, as well as taken some online classes with University of Delaware when I was in my undergrad. Something that I love using in my classroom is Seesaw. And I am super excited for this class because I feel like throughout this whole learning experience and all the courses I've taken, I've had the opportunity to dive deeper into different technology and find out what works for me, what works for my students in my classroom. But Seesaw is something that I absolutely love and I want to push for my school district to kind of pick up on a bigger scale. So I'm hoping that in 6045 I'll have the opportunity to kind of learn more about it and learn more about different platforms as well.